The launch of the Ministry of Human Services and Social Security Survivors Kit initiative forms part of the ministry's ongoing 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. Subject Minister Dr. Vindi Prasad, during the launch on Thursday, said the initiative is important in combating domestic violence.
When people want to leave abusive, violent relationships and circumstances, they have a pack that has basic items so that when they're leaving, sometimes I know many of them leave with just the clothing on their back and they're thinking, how can they help themselves in that immediate moment or in those immediate periods right after leaving. So these survival kits will be made available to those persons who need them, and we do have a mechanism.
The kits will be placed in the custody of several survivor advocates across Guyana. Minister Prasad said the program will be expanded and the kits will soon be available at all of the ministry's locations countrywide.
The ministry is very, very much a part of the government's wider program where we work on supporting victims of domestic violence and abuse. Of course, we would have signed on to the Spotlight initiative, and there are other very important things that are going to be dealt with, such as legislation, strengthening our service delivery, and also looking at access to remote and difficult areas.
Meanwhile, the ministry's Survivors Advocacy Program also allows women to receive the support that they need from the moment of reporting their experiences of violence to the conclusion of their cases. 15 survivor advocates are currently being trained on how to properly provide support and guidance to vulnerable persons. One of the advocates, 21-year-old Ofe, spoke about the initiative.
I think it's a really great initiative. As my colleague said, it's more than just simple packages. It's giving persons hope. It's communicating to persons that, we care, we see what you're going through, we understand, and this is how we're, trying to help you.
Additionally, to help women sustain themselves and their children, the Women's Innovation Network WIN program was also launched. This facilitates access to free skills training programs. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.